my Runlock system on a 2022 model Transit Custom, full Transit Custom. See the keys currently in with the engine running. There's that little Runlock button there. Just give a quick push on that button. LED starts to flash. You can remove the key. Engine continues to run. You can leave the vehicle. Door open, door closed. You can then lock the vehicle. Door's now locked. If somebody was to get in with a, you know, if they found your key or cloned key or something, as soon as you put your foot on the brake, engine cuts out. If you put the ignition key in and turn it to the on position before you put your foot on the brake, the Runlock will deactivate and the ignition key will take over, as you would expect. It's handy useful tool for multi-drop delivery guys. If you're in and out of your vans quite a bit, it's quite a handy little secure way of keeping your engine running. Saves wear and tear on your starter system, keeps stopping starting all the time. So the Runlock system's quite handy for that scenario. So here we go. Runlock on, key out, engine still running.